You already know who submits your forms. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to see everyone who doesn't, and which field made them quit. I'm Casey from WPForms, and this is the full tour of form analytics in WPForms 2.0. The cool thing about the WPForms form analytics is that it's available with WPForms 2.0, and as soon as you update to the new version, this starts tracking. You don't have to set it up. You don't need to do anything else. It automatically starts tracking that form data, and then you can check it out for every single form. So in your plugins, make sure that WPForms is activated and updated to 2.0, and from there, your forms are tracking analytics. So now that WPForms 2.0 is running here on my site, I can go to any form I have, and there's an option to check out the analytics. And it's going to show me everything here from the views and interactions to conversion rates, abandonments, and errors. And it goes so far that it'll even break it down by field and what's happening in each of those categories on each of your fields. So for example, my quantity field here has a pretty high error rate, and that's something that I'm going to need to address. The other neat thing about the categories that you see here up at the top is that you can set a goal for a conversion rate, let's say 15%, for example. And it's going to track that for you over time, and you can see if you're meeting that goal. And anything here that you don't understand or maybe need to make sense of the numbers or what to do about them, we can ask the WPForms AI that's right here in the form. So since I have so many errors on that quantity field, I'm going to ask how I can improve that. And now that it's thought about it, it's giving me some recommendations. It's explaining why these errors are here, what to do, tell users the allowed range or minimum directly, check whether the step is asking for more precision than users need for ordering. So, and it can break it down like this for any other fields too. So let's look at another example here, my wedding inquiry form, and see the analytics across the board here with my views, interactions, conversion rate, abandonments, and errors. And again, breaking it down by field. And so maybe what's happening here is that people are abandoning even after they provide a wedding date, but they're still abandoning this form because it might just be asking for too much. And lastly, we can check out a contact form with some healthy analytics here and a nice conversion rate. And if we want to break things down by week, day, months, year, we can, and then print and export when we're ready to take this data out of here. And that's WPForms Form Analytics in WPForms 2.0 now.